How to fix make sure OneDrive is running on PC. So few things completely derail your workflow, like opening up a project directory, only to be met with a stubborn flashing error box screaming this error. So it will say something like, make sure OneDrive is running on your PC before trying again. If you manually click the desktop icon, the application can get trapped in a silent background loop, completely frozen and unable to start its syncing engine. Today, we are bypassing the basic shortcuts to execute a forced system wake-up, clearing out unresponsive application threads, and repairing the broken startup registry keys that are causing OneDrive to ghost your computer. Okay guys, so when OneDrive refuses to open, it's usually because a corrupted background instance is stuck in an infinite loop. So to fix that, open up your task manager. I'm using System Informer. It's a custom task manager. But open up the Windows native one, whether you're on 10 or 11, and then where it says search processes, just search for OneDrive. Okay, so as you can see, I have one process running. This is exactly how you want to see this. If you have multiple, choose one of them, or just close all of them at once, okay? Close all of them and then just reopen the app. So you go like this, right-click, terminate, and then confirm. And as you can see, it's purged from my taskbar as well. And as you can see, nothing regarding OneDrive is running in the system now. Done. Okay guys, and the second step, with the broken background cycles dead, what we just did in the previous steps, we can just execute an absolute launch directly from the system of root directory to restore your connections. So I will give you this path that you will need to input. Just open up your file explorer and type this in: %local app data %/Microsoft/OneDrive. You can leave out the slash at the end, it's not necessary, and press enter. So this will take you to the local folder and with the to the files folder inside your OneDrive. And in here in the search, just type in exe, find this OneDrive sync service, and then just launch it. Just double click and launch it. And this will purge most errors. If not, you can just open up your start menu, search for OneDrive, and then just launch it. And as you can see, it's launching instantly with zero errors. That is it. This is how you fix your sync engine. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always. See you soon, guys.